What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be talking about an absolutely incredible phone that is coming real soon. This is the first ever foldable phone made by Samsung and it's called the Samsung Galaxy X. The phone will probably come out at the end of 2018, maybe early 2019, and in my opinion this is the most exciting phone that we have seen or will see in a very long time. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. As we all know, we are constantly consuming media on our smartphones. This is why companies have been trying for many years now to implement even larger screens on phone devices, but there has been a problem that, well, think about it. How will you fit a 7-inch phone into your pocket? There's no chance. So what Samsung has decided to do is, well, they created a foldable phone, or they are creating it. Basically, the Samsung Galaxy X is a phablet being able to bend down the middle. The back of the phone will be bendable, which means that you will be able to basically fold the phone down the middle and put it in your pocket. This will solve a lot of problems for companies that are trying to go over the 6-inch phone size, because, well, nowadays you will be able to fold the phone over, just put it in your pocket and it won't take up that much size. The release date of the Samsung Galaxy X is still unclear, but there have been some rumors on Twitter and other social media sites that the phone should arrive before the end of 2018 or in January 2019 at the latest, where it will be most likely unveiled at the CES press conference in Las Vegas. Over there, just because it will get a lot of attention, it will be something special, and overall it will revolutionize the way that we use our phones. A trusted Samsung source has recently leaked on Twitter that the phone will most likely go into production in November 2018, which kind of confirms the release dates that I mentioned earlier. At the same time, they also mentioned that the phone will most likely have a 7.2 or a 7.3 inch display, which will be able to bend, and the phone will also have a battery of 6000 milliamps that will also be bendable, or foldable rather. In my opinion, the battery will not be able to bend, but I think since the phone will fold over, it will have two separate batteries interconnected together, basically two 3000 milliamp hour batteries, giving you a 6000 milliamp hour of battery life. If you guys remember 2011, this is where Samsung first started releasing those foldable phone videos. Basically that means that this phone has been in development ever since 2011, which means that it has been in development for almost 8 years, which is absolutely incredible. Anyway, how this phone will work, it will have a little hinge on the back of it, which will allow the whole phone to bend or fold over without damaging everything, which is also why I think the battery will be separated into two individual batteries. The price of this phone is supposed to be right around $1,850, which will make this phone one of the most expensive phones of this and probably also next year. Now, here's a question for you. Does this kind of tech scare you? Because it definitely scares me. If you like looking at futuristic movies, you always see people using those glass phones, those huge glass phones that you can just expand, and to be honest, I really don't think that we are that far ahead yet, but we probably will be there soon. It's kind of scary how fast tech is innovating, isn't it? Also, what do you think? Will the general public reject this phone or will they accept it? Because always when we get something really new, kind of strange, the general audience or general public usually rejects it at first, but then accepts it. That was just like with the internet, with social media, and basically now everyone is using it. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.